friends, I am going to teach you about Python. Python is an easy to learn powerful programming language. It has efficient high level data structure and a simple but effective approach to objective oriented programming. Python is extremely easy to get started with. Python has an extraordinarily simple syntax as already mentioned. When you write the program in Python, you never need to bother about the low-level details such as managing the memory used by your program. Let's start to programming in Python. I am using Python version 3.6. If you want to download a Python interpreter, you can download from website which is python.org. As I told you that I am using Python 3.6. So here you can see this, and this is Python IDLE. For this opening you can type on search that IDLE after installing Python. Okay, so I'm going to write the first hello world, print hello world. Okay, so see, print in bracket with quote hello world. Okay, and then bracket close, press enter. Here you can see hello world. We are showing a string, so it's in bracket. If you want some integer to print, you can type 15 and save. Okay, so there is no need to define variable types like integer, float, decimal or string. Just type. If you want to show some string, then you have to print with bracket, or integer then without bracket. Print is a function, and here whatever we want to print, then type this value. Okay, now I am going to show you about arithmetic operation. Okay, so if you want to some plus program, so 15 plus 30, just press enter. Here you can see answer. Okay, for subtractions, okay, for multiplications, and this. So it's very easy to learn. If you are new to beginner in the programming language, or if you want to learn some language, then Python is the best for you. It's very easy to understand and learn. There is no difficulty if you are interested in learning about Python. Thanks for watching our video, and please, if you like, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.